Hello guys, welcome to the Story of Us session. Today we're gonna focus on developing the purpose of the team through an exercise that's gonna build on our own story. So to start with, I'm just gonna let you know that this is the fire exit. If you need to go in case of an emergency, you go that way, go down the stairs and out. The toilets are here on the right, first right, if you need to go to the toilet. And I'm aware that you don't need any particular tool to read or write, and you'll be capable of doing all the activities by your own means. And also that all the materials and all the work that we do here together, all the conversations, remain in the room. So we're going to show the confidentiality of the exercise. So to start with, I prepare, to start with we're going to do an icebreaker. The icebreaker to help us to get a bit into the mood of a team, and it's focused on memory. It's called the memory test. And I'm going to invite you to just share a statement, and the next person have to repeat the statement and add up on that statement. Okay? And we're going to do it, hopefully, if we have enough memory, 9 times. Okay? So I will start and we'll build from it. Okay. Today I woke up at 7 o'clock.
Today I woke up at 7 o'clock to go to an appointment.
Today I woke up at 7 o'clock to go to an appointment. I got out of bed.
Today I woke up at 7 o'clock to go to an appointment. I got out of bed and I said good morning.
Today I woke up at 7 to go to an appointment. I got out of bed and I said good morning. And then I had breakfast.
Today I woke up at 7 o'clock for an appointment. I got out of bed and said good morning. And then I had breakfast. The breakfast was porridge.
Today I woke up at 7 o'clock this morning. I get out of bed and said good morning and had breakfast later on. And breakfast was porridge.
Do you want to add something?
No, you want one more time.
But you have to add something to the sentence because Elliot said it was porridge, so you have to add something.
Oh yes, true. And it was porridge and it was salty.
Okay. This morning I woke up at 7 to go to an appointment. Then I got out of bed. I said good morning. And then I had breakfast. It was porridge. It was salty. And I don't think I want to eat porridge ever again.
One more. Come on, Elliot. The last one.
This morning I woke up at 7 o'clock, got out of bed and said good morning. I had breakfast, which was porridge, and it was salty. I don't think I want to have porridge again. Instead I will have Weetabix.
Yay, well done. That was challenging. Well, thank you very much for having the patience and the memory to deal with this exercise. And now we can focus in the particular activity. So, there you go. This is your handouts. You can find the purpose. So the purpose is, would you like to read the purpose?
So the purpose is to build purpose and develop a sense of community, who we are and what we are doing as a team.
Elliot, would you like to read the goals?
Goals to familiarise with the tool proposed and produce a slogan that represents the story of us.
Okay. So as an aim of the activity, we end up gonna have a slogan that will say, "This is us." Okay? Good. So this activity, it's going to be focused on understanding the Walworth community that we work for, that we base here. And the Walworth community is our audience, and is the audience that obviously we want to engage with. So to gain more insight about that audience, I'm going to ask you a few questions, and I would like you to share your thoughts on paper or through a conversation. Okay? So the first question will be, what are the stories of the community that give you an indication of the shared purpose and their values? Would you like to add that to the paper so we've got it recorded?
Yeah.
Justine, do you have any suggestion?
Yeah, I'm thinking of the same lunch club. I would say people are dedicated to the center.
Mm-hmm.
That's the next one.
We can do it here, don't worry.
So to me, I would say dedication.
Mm-hmm.
Dedication. Okay. Yeah.
And solidarity. People go out their way to help each other.
I would say compassion, because I think through clubs and like program or events, you get to know people, to get to know a bit more about their life, and I think you develop this sense of compassion. So I would say compassion.
And it just creates a sense of neighbourhood.
Mm-hmm.
Everyone helping each other out. That's what a neighbourhood. That's a good example of what a neighbourhood should be.
That's really good. Okay, in that case, let's move on to the next question. What are some stories of your generation that give you the belief that together they could work to join you in creating real, tangible outcomes? Do you understand the question? It's a bit long question.
Can you be a bit more precise? Well, especially when it says that together they could work to join us in the Walworth community.
Yeah, this exercise is about developing a sense of community. So as a team, we are a community. So this last point is about which are the stories that help you have the belief to keep working as a community. So where you get the energy from, where you get the motivation from, which are the stories that have give you the motivation?
Stories we've heard, stories from outside.
Yeah, stories from here or from anywhere else. It could be, Martin Luther King, or maybe, Linda helping us with a fun club. So
I heard recently. So a lot of libraries are closing around London to save costs for councils, and a group of volunteers got together and donated lots of their old books, and they're working together to create a community library now, which is not run by the council, just run by volunteers, and it's open to everyone, and it's built on a trust relationship, so you return books when you finish with them, you donate books at the same time. That's something that's created.
Yeah, that's a lovely story. So what type of belief that story gives you?
That we don't have to leave everything in the hands of authorities, that people can actually, with compassion, help each other out themselves and create their own initiatives.
To be like self-dependent?
Yeah, within a community, yeah.
Okay. Would you like to share that on the paper so we go record it?
Do it in this corner.
Okay, so after gathering this material, I'm gonna invite you to just try to produce a slogan that represents the story of us. So,
The community
yeah, and the team, or the team.
or the team.
So I think common things we've got are working together
Yeah.
and that solidarity.
Yeah, empower.
Yeah.
So,
Maybe like working with the community to achieve something.
Let's try to put it in the next page.
Yeah.
I'll leave it here so you can see. But yeah, let's try to put the slogan there.
Or like change, working with the community for change.
yeah, that's good. Yeah.
That'll do.
Working.
Can you repeat it?
Working with the community for change.
And I would also maybe.
Okay, evaluation. What did you get out of this training?
It's helped me to think about what values are important to the community.
Could you
Yeah,
Justin?
and I would say always ask myself this question to keep any project going on.
Okay. And what about the goal? Was the goal met?
Yeah, well, it's helped us think about purpose more of what we're doing together, and I think it's given me like positive energy to help me think about, to believe in what we're doing.
We were supposed to produce a slogan. Are you happy with the slogan?
Yeah, it's a good one. It keeps us motivated and remind us why we're there. So yeah.
Okay. Well, in that case, we concluded the session. Thank you very much for participating.